Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live, gliding through the 10 o'clock hour. Start of the work week was a windy one out there, but wind does us a couple of favors out there. Helps to, well, evaporate some of the wetness out of our soils, and well, it will be bringing us warmer air. Today, that wind direction from the north, though, it made it feel pretty brisk out there. It's 46 in Fargo. Wind from the north-northwest still at 15 miles per hour. So there's just a pinch of a wind chill to it. 8:37 was the time of your sunset tonight in the FM area. 37 for our neighbors in the James River Valley, the Devil's Lake area at 41 degrees. Hallock at that same reading. Grand Forks right now, you have 42 degrees, and we have some mid-40s across Lakes Country, including Fergus Falls, Alexandria, and Wadena at this hour. It's 43 for you in Detroit Lakes. Now 10 to 20 mile per hour winds. As a rule, a few gusts are still present out there, mainly along the I-94 corridor there through west central Minnesota, where you see the green arrows here. As I set this into motion, when the green arrows turn yellow, that means we'll see a decrease, but not an absence of wind. It's going to be persistent at around 15 to 25 miles per hour through the overnight hours. Now, we're going to start our day. A few of you are going to sneak down into the upper 20s, albeit briefly. It's going to be a cold start to your Tuesday. Then the wind returns right where it left off today. Notice the green arrows. That's where the best chance will be for having gusts that will exceed 25 to 30 miles per hour. Temperatures for your Tuesday look toastier. We'll see sunshine for most of the day, and many of us will crack into the 60s as we go through our afternoon. The best chance of that in our western counties. The green arrows indicating the Southern Valley and into Minnesota will be gustier. That should limit some of the heating today in our Minnesota counties to the mid and upper 50s. But by and large, not a bad day, and we'll go in the right direction with increasing clouds late in the day from the west. Here is a look then at your planner for Fargo. 33 in the morning, ramp it up to 61 wonderful degrees, 15 to 25 mile per hour winds in Fargo with a few gusts higher than that. A pretty fair evening. Here's a snapshot of your 3 o'clock temperatures across the area. Near 60 degrees for all of our North Dakota counties here in the Red River Valley included, and then off into Minnesota, some mid and upper 50s for your day. Beautiful shot here Todd shared from the Lisbon area, and well, the tree trunks being swallowed up by the old Cheyenne River there, but its river levels are coming down. Okay, we're kicking off our pro-seed farming forecast now as we head into the month of May. We have some good news here. We have drying winds. That should help to dry out some of the topsoil and hopefully get our farmers out in the fields. And we'll have some 70s to boot on Wednesday and on Thursday. We'll see some low 70s across the region and not quite as windy. Some rain showers are in the offing as we head into late Friday night, but the best chance appears to be Saturday and into Sunday. We'll keep you posted on those rain chances, and we'll have hit and miss showers in the forecast as well, but a lot of 60s out there now as we go through the upcoming 11 days there. All in all, it's probably the warmest stretch of weather we've had to talk about or gotten to talk about in some time.
But we were talking about snow not long ago. So this is an abrupt